All right, I'm back. The JB weld did not seal the tank. It really didn't do anything. I'm gonna have to replace the diaphragm in it and order a kit for it. I got one off of eBay. Well, I've got it ordered. I was telling Missouri Old Timer, I went down here to a local parts place that I normally buy parts from, and for the gasket, intake gasket, carburetor gasket for the tank, between tank and carburetor, the diaphragm pump, and the spring. He wanted $30 for it, and you can buy them all day long on eBay for $3 and $4.95. I've seen them for $7.95, but that's still a lot cheaper than that. I can buy a carburetor for $15, brand new carburetor. Can't get his tank though, and I have no way of raising that. So when I get my kit in, I'll put some RTV on it, and the way I use RTV as a gasket sealer is I'll put a bead around it. Let's see, like this right here. To say like I was going to put I wouldn't use it on this because this is the intake. But anyway, I mean, I can make that gasket too easy. I didn't get that good. I didn't get that very clean. But anyway, I can take RTV yeah, that's good. And I put it on there, and what I'll do, yeah, that's better. I will put a bead around everything, and then I'll just snug it up finger tight, and when it starts squirting out on the sides, I stop. I'll let it set overnight, tie it up the rest of the way the next morning, and I've never had one leak. I've been doing it for years. Well, ever since RTV came out. When they first came out, they had that Permatex, and I hate that stuff. Because once you put it on there, it was hard to get off. And when I came out with RTV, I think I was doing a transmission gasket. And on a transmission gasket, you can never tell if it's bent because they're so thin. Well, the old ones used to be thin. Don't know about the new ones. Well, I would put that RTV on there, snug it up with my fingers, wait 24 hours, go back and finish tying it up. And I'm serious, I never had one leak. Now, good. I'll just go order me a kit for this thing. Put that RTV on that receiver, cover that hole up, and that might hold it. If it don't, I'll take it back off and redo it. The tank's fitted real bad. So that RTV will help seal that. Those divots up. See how cratered it is? Pretty bad shape. There's a crack right there. Not a very big one, just enough to make it leak. So it's going to suck air. When it leaks, it's not going to run, not steady. I had it running the other day. You saw that, or you will see it. So I could go ahead and make that gasket. Wouldn't be that hard to make it. But hell, they don't cost that much, and they can get it here quick. They guaranteed 2-day delivery, free of charge. So I'm not gonna gripe about that. I didn't make my wrench; it wasn't gonna work. So I gave up on it. I don't want to put that in there. Yeah, I do. I'm through with it. I've done all I can do until I get some tool parts. All right. The lawnmower I was working on. Well, it blew up on me. I didn't know that he had never changed the oil in it. Oh yeah, I changed the oil. It changed last year. Well, it blew oil all over my shop. And I spent all day yesterday cleaning my shop up. It was even on the ceiling. Turn my ceiling fan on. I'm hot. And that's new gasoline. I just bought that Monday. For what? No? When did I buy that? Either Thursday or Friday. I believe it was Thursday. Yeah, because that was the first day my wife worked at home. Yeah. I filled the truck up and got all the gas we needed. So this was going back outside, cover it up until I get the part in. Alright. Let's see what I can do with this. Start another video. This is end of part 4 on the tiller, I think.